Here in Oregon, every day almost 30 kids are confirmed victims of abuse or neglect. And that's just the ones we know about. That's more than an elementary school classroom full of new kids every single day. It's happening in every neighborhood, every zip code, every socioeconomic level. In fact, child maltreatment is the most common health issue facing children today. So why don't we talk about it more? Because it's hard. It's painful to think about someone hurting a child, and I understand why people would rather not. But when we don't think about it, when we don't talk about it, when we don't do something about it, we're leaving these kids to face it all by themselves. With a problem as big and complex as child abuse, it's easy to get overwhelmed. And to be clear, there are no magical overnight fixes, but there are solutions. And that's where CARES Northwest comes in. And more importantly, that's where you come in. So what do? We help kids get their childhoods back. Kids who've been hurt by people they trusted, whose control over their bodies and their feelings of trust and safety were all taken from them. We help them take it back. CARES is a very special pediatric clinic that focuses on kids at the center of child abuse investigations, offering care and support, first to help determine if abuse is happening, and if it is, helping kids and their families move forward toward healing. Every service we provide along the way, from medical checkups to trauma-informed therapy to family support to prevention education, is made possible in part by your gifts. We wouldn't be able to do our work to help kids heal and prevent abuse without you. You know, when I think about the kids who come to CARES, I often think about the ones who hesitate, the ones trying to decide if they can trust us after they've been let down by so many adults. There's a moment when they are sizing us up, and then they take a deep breath and a leap of faith, and they start to talk. It takes so much bravery. And then to see them come back to counseling each week and graduate from therapy, and they're smiling and proud of the work that they've done. Because healing takes work. It's really amazing to see. Think of all the special kids that you love. Don't you want the best world for them? Because we can do it if we work together. It won't happen overnight, but if we want it enough, together we can build a community that values its children so fiercely that child abuse becomes a thing of the past. Can you imagine that? Kids need help, and you are the solution.